Hello everyone, hope you are in the best of health. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Clockify as a beginner. What is Clockify? Well, Clockify is a very popular time tracking software that is used by numerous business owners. And how is Clockify beneficial to you and why you should use it in your business? Well, with Clockify, you'll be able to track your team members, or better yet your workers, how long they spend on a particular task. You'll also be able to assign them individual tasks or individual duties, and you'll be able to see when a person clocks in, clocks out, how long they spend on a particular task, as I said earlier. And you'll also be able to invoice clients. So you'll be able to invoice clients, as you can see right here. So you'll be able to track billable time and expenses and show clients how much you have worked and see how much you have earned. And you'll also be able to boost productivity. As with Clockify, you'll be able to add, as I said earlier, you'll be able to assign team members tasks directly, and you'll also be able to track them. So this will help to improve your time management skills. And as I said, you'll be able to manage team members. Now let's scroll back up and sign up to Clockify. To sign up, all you'll need to do is go on to clockify.me. Then you are going to tap on sign up free in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and all you have to do is enter your email address and choose a password, or you can tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue with Google, it is going to take a few seconds meanwhile they create your account. But once they have created your account, you will be redirected to your dashboard, as you can see right here. Once on your dashboard, I want you to pay attention to some stuff. First, you will need to pay attention to the left-hand menu option, and you will see the time tracker, calendar, dashboard reports, and also projects, team, clients, tags, and settings right here. I will be showing you how to edit or how to use each individual settings that you see right here. So the first thing you will need to do once on Clockify, you are going to create a workspace. So all you'll need to do is go to the top right hand corner, right beside where you see upgrade. You are going to tap on that. Then you are going to select manage. After you have selected manage, from here you can tap on create new workspace. After you have tapped on create new workspace, you are going to enter the workspace name. So let's say, for example, after you have created your first workspace, the next thing to do is to add team members. And to do that, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap right where you see team. Then after tapping on team, you can see that only your email address is right there. To add a team member, all you'll need to do is tap on add new in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you would enter the person's email address, then tap on I'm not a robot, and you are going to tap on add. And this will send them an invitation, and once they accept the invitation, they'll be added as a team member. So this is how you'll be able to add freelancers to Clockify that you can assign tasks, or overall your co-workers or your employees overall. And you can also add clients by tapping on clients right here. Then you could type in the client name and you could tap on add. So if you are working on a project for a particular client, you could enter the client name right here, then tap on add. Once you have added team members and you have added clients, it is time to go back to the main dashboard. So let's go back to the main dashboard right here by tapping on time tracker. After you have tapped on time tracker in the top left hand corner, you can start a new project because you have now added team members, and also you have now added a client if you have any clients that you are working on a particular task for. So we are going to tap on project right here. So let's say, for example, we want to create a new project. So we're going to tap on create new project. And let's say our new project is to create a YouTube thumbnail. So we'll be typing in YouTube thumbnail right here. Let me do that real quick. After doing that, you could select the client if you had added a client right there, and then you're going to tap on create. Once you have tapped on create, it will create the new project as you can see right here. And after you have created the new project, you can tap right where you see start, and then you can start your time tracking as you can see right there. And you can tap on stop once you are finished, and you can see that it has been saved right here, and you can also see when it started and when it finished and what was the duration as you can see right there. And if you would like to share it or so on, you can tap on the three dots right there to duplicate it, or if you'd like to add a description, you can also do that. Now to edit billable hours or unbillable hours, all you have to do is tap right where you see the $sign. So let's say for example you're working with a freelancer, you'll leave it onto billable. So you'll be paying them for the amount of time that they spend on a particular project. But if you are simply just using this as a time tracking tool and you just want to optimize your work level, you are not doing billable or unbillable, you can simply leave this or you can untick it. You can also edit the settings by going over to the left hand menu option, tapping on settings. Once in settings, you could add your company logo if you want, and you can also scroll down and you have numerous editing options. So for example, if you would like to activate timesheet, you can activate your timesheet right there. Or if you would like to allow employees to clock in and out from designated devices, you could activate right here, and you can also enable breaks if you want. But to enable breaks, you would have to be on the upgraded plan. And as I said earlier, right where you see new projects, whether you would like new projects to be default billable or non-billable, you can select that. And also if you would like the projects to be private, meaning that only the persons or team members that you add onto that project would be able to see it, you could tap on private right there. There are numerous editing options. You can also edit the time format as you can see right here. And if you want to edit the working days, you can also do that. And you can also edit the currency. So depending on the country you're located in, so instead of sending a customer an invoice and it is in USD and you're located in Canada, you can change the currency to your local currency that you're billing your client in by going right here. Once you have organized all of that, let's go back up to the top, and right where you see permissions, we're going to tap on that. And after tapping on permissions, you can edit who you want to see hourly rates and amounts. I would leave that at admin, and then you can see who can see and change then you'll see who can see and change billable status of time entries. I would leave that at admins, but to change it to admins, again, you would have to upgrade. So there are a few pullbacks with using the free plan, as some editing options that I think are necessary, you would have to upgrade to use them. And also, if you would like to integrate other apps, all you would have to do is tap on integrations, and from there you could integrate Bubble Chat, or if you would like to integrate Jira or Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, you can also do that. As remember that this is a time tracking software that also has calendar on the left hand menu option right here. So if you would like to integrate one of your calendars, you can do that by tapping right where you see the calendar right there. Then you could tap on go to calendar and you'll be able to add your account if you want. Also, if you would like to import contacts or import data, you can tap on import right here, and then from there you'll be able to upload a CSV file as you can see right there. Another feature that it also has, as I was saying earlier, is the calendar feature. So you could tap on calendar right there, and you can organize your calendar. So you could organize your calendar layout if you want, or you can add different tasks to your calendar. And by the way, as I said earlier, you can integrate Google Calendar or different calendars in this section. And that's about it. If you would like to make any other changes, for example, you can change the appearance by tapping on your profile pic in the top right hand corner. So if you prefer to use dark mode, you could simply toggle on dark mode right there, or you can toggle it off. And you can also log out by tapping on your profile pic. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.